Yeah, welcome back to the channel. As you see, it's a very bright LED light, working light. It's a little problem here to go into the shadows. I have to check up something on the Pontiac. Yeah, easier to see it. Forgot to bring me some tools to put on the number plates. Yeah, okay. Now just have to see if I can open it. That could be a problem because it's very stiff to open. Let's see. I have to check that. Try to find out which transmission is in this car. Let's see. Here is a build plate. I managed to see here. Here, let's go the front of this one. Huh? The camera don't like this. Body by Fisher 7906 C 2F S 87 L 29 2310 62 B 19 L 19 V W. The heck is standing here. 150. I think it's 150 standing here. T 34 14 27 98. That was the build plate. I was hoping to be able to read out which transmission is in the car. So I have to ask a guy I know that know a lot of Camaros and things like that, and it's the same body style. So maybe he can tell me a little more, because this didn't tell me much. Let's see. It's a 403 seed. Oldsmobile engine. It's a lot of things you see. Water pipes and things are taken out. Some other problems. One of the horn is upside down, I think. Have to clean off rust. Lot of different things. Let's see. Sorry about the light here. I should have got someone to help me, but the boys are at basket practice. So there's no point trying to ask them anything. See, it looks to be the factory one. There's some small things up here, but the rest seems to be okay. The steering wheel we see have some wear. The radio looks nice. Don't say it. Yeah, everything like that. The center console. Up here we see we have problems that I can live with. Not all the instrument was working. Don't remember if I put in the... Have I locked it? Let's see. Sorry if the camera is not going to be perfect here. To see if I have the key. Maybe I have one key who can open here. I have 3 keys. I'm not sure which one is which one. That one seems to be opening. Oh. Now, let's see the last one. It don't seem to go in there at all. Okay, just a little lock up. What is this? Gold lines, okay, double lines. What the heck is up here? JBL hands-free. Some hands-free for the mobile phone. Okay. It's supposed to be standing some other place. Bluetooth and things, so there should be okay. Is there anything in the ashtray? Yeah, you can see it have been smoking in the car. Let's check the back side. This up here is hanging down. Sorry, it's taking a little while, everything here now. I was thinking to maybe check up on the back. Let's see if I can see the camera. Yeah, put up the camera on the back here of a boat was standing here. Yeah, as I understand it, it's supposed to be an opening place here. Yeah, it is. Let's see which key that maybe fit in here. Yeah, opened, and there it was completely wet. Okay, that was not good. Then we maybe should have had something to dry up with. It was frozen, going to be rusty. The lucky thing is it's so cold. Spare information and things like this. Here's some stereo speaker system. Everything is frozen down. But it's not badly rusty and things like that. It seems actually to be okay. On that side. Yeah, here too. I'm not sure why the camera is reacting so badly to this light, but it is reacting. Things seems to be okay. I have to go here one time later to check. Electric opening system for a lock, as I understand it. But this was nothing behind here that I could use. Would more or less be better that it was standing like that and draining off there. For now it's been draining off in the back. So I think I just leave it open. But I'm not sure. Because the interesting thing for me was the transmission. Can I even see anything of the transmission? No, can't see anything. Now I just have to go home and check the information on that plate. If that even going to tell me anything. Let's see here. There. The air is going out of this tire. They haven't lost so much lately. But it's a lot of small things, of course. This car was getting it for, I hope, to be an okay price, depend on the problem with the, if it's the converter or what it is. I'm not sure. Yeah, should have been inside a place where I could start working on it, but it's not. So I just have to try to do what I can here. So we're just hoping and praying that it's not too bad. But for the price I got it for, I could survive it. if I had to change the transmission. Even then I could survive it, so it's not going to be a crisis anyway. I'm just hoping and praying that it's going to be as cheap as possible. So sorry about the light here. It's been dark, it's cold outside. Now it's almost minus 20 degrees Celsius. And yeah, I've been sick of corona and things, so I haven't done many videos lately, but I was just thinking to go and check up this information plate so I can start to find the information. I can try to put it up in the back of the video for you guys to help me read out the codes so we can maybe find out more. I have found out the car is made in California, the factory there, and things like that. But we can look at that too. So I'm trying to put this in a video, and you guys please help me with ideas. So thank you. This is video number 3 of this car. Of course it's going to come a lot more. This model, or the pre-facelift model, was my dream car from when I was a little boy. So back home somewhere I have a model kit of a black Bandit 78 or 77 model. Yeah, please come back, please subscribe to the channel, and please put a like on the video and put comments to everything that can help me. This is not a normal car in Norway, of course. It's not a normal car. I'm freezing. It's better in here than outside. It's not a normal car in USA either, I believe. I've seen the prices in USA. Seen someone who is not in so good condition go for almost $20,000. So that, yeah, this car was not that price, to be honest. It was a good part less expensive than that. So yeah, please help me. That would be very nice. And I have some friends who I'm going to ask to help me with more information. So thank you, please come back.